demography. So what is the demography? Demography means the word demography is derived from the Latin word demos, which means people. What is the demography? The word demography is derived from the Latin word demos, which means people. Hence, demography can be referred as a science of population. The other definition on this chapter is vital statistic. What is the vital statistic? Is the events related to human life, such as birth, death, marriage, divorce, migration, and etc., are termed as vital events. So, what is the vital events are? Birth, death, marriage, divorce, migration, death, health. So, the basic data regarding vital events is known as vital statistics. Now, we will see some important uses of vital statistics. So, first use is it can be used to compare general health conditions of two regions, countries with the help of data. What is the first important? It can be used to compare general health conditions of two regions, countries with the help of death rates. The second use is life tables are based upon mortality rates. Life tables are based upon mortality rates, which is important. Third, it helps in social and economic programs. And last, the international policy of public health can be formed using vital statistics of different countries. So these are the important uses of vital statistics. The next point of this chapter is measurement of mortality. So what is the mortality? The measurement of mortality of a specific community are obtained in terms of number of deaths per 1,000 people in a given period of time. What is the mortality? Measurement of mortality. So the measurement of mortality of a specific community are obtained in terms of number of deaths per 1,000 people in a given period of time. We study different mortality rates or death rates. In this chapter, there are two types of death rates. First, crude death rates means CDR, and second is age-specific death rate means Age-SDR. Now we will see one by one. First, crude death rate means CDR. First is CDR. So what is CDR? The number of deaths on an average per 1,000 of the population is called CDR. What is the CDR? The number of deaths on an average per 1,000 of the population is called CDR. So how to find CDR? This is the formula of CDR. CDR is equal to D upon B into 1,000. CDR is equal to D upon B into 1,000. So here, what is D? D is the number of deaths in the given region during the given period. What is D? The number of deaths in the given region during the given periods. Similarly, what is P? Total population of the given region during the given period. P is the total population of the given region during the given period. So this is the CDR. Similarly, you can see Age-SDR. So what is Age-SDR? And Age-SDR is a death rate computed for a specific age group of the population. So what is Age-SDR? And Age-SDR is a death rate computed for a specific age group of the population. It is denoted by NMX. This is the notation. Age-SDR NMX, and formula of NMX is NMX is equal to NDX upon NPX into 1,000, where NDX is number of deaths in the age group x to x plus n. What is NDX? Is number of deaths in the age group x to x plus n. Similarly, NPX is total population of age group. NPX is total population of age group x to x plus n. So here CDR and Age-SDR. CDR is equal to D upon P into 1,000. D means the number of deaths in a given region during the given period. And P is total population of the given region during the given period. Similarly, in Age-SDR, NMX is equal to NDX upon NPX into 1,000, where NDX is number of deaths in an age group x to x plus n, and NPX is total population some basic examples of CDR and Age-SDR. The first example, basic example of CDR. Here in this example, given the following information, age group are 0 to 20, 20 to 65, 65 and age group 0 to 20, 20 to 65 and 65 above. Similarly, population and number of deaths are given. So population is 40,000, 65,000 and 15,000. Similarly, number of deaths are 350, 650 and X. Find X if the CDR is 13.4 per thousand. What are the given? CDR is 13.4 per thousand and find X. So how to find this example came in last year for 3 months. So how to find this? First, CDR is 13.4 per thousand. So we have a formula to find CDR. What is the formula is CDR is equal to summation of DI upon summation of DI into 1000. So what is summation of DI? Summation of DI means death rate, number of deaths. It is DI and PI is population. So PI. So we have to summation of this. First we find summation of DI. What is the summation of DI is 350 plus 650 plus X means 300, 600, 950 and plus 50 is 1000 plus X. This is the summation of DI. Similarly, summation of PI. What is the summation of PI? Summation of PI is equal to 40,000 plus 65,000 plus 15,000. This is equal to summation of PI is 40,000 plus 65,000 plus 15,000 is 1,20,000. So we have CDR 13.4. Formula is CDR is equal to summation of DI upon summation of DI into 1000. So CDR is 13.4. It is equal to summation of DI is 1000 plus X upon summation of BI is 1,20,000 into 1000. Here 30 cancel. So 120 is shifting this up. So 120. So 13.4 into 120 is equal to 1000 plus X. If we calculate this, answer is 1608 is equal to 1000 plus X. So 1608 minus 1000 equal to X. So we have given X is equal to 608. This is the first example. By using CDR, we find X. This example comes for 3 marks. Okay. Similarly, we can see another example of CDR. The second example of CDR is obtain two dead rates for town A and town B given below and compare them. Here we find two dead rates means CDR. The distributions are age group 0 to 10, 10 to 25, 25 to 65, and 65 and above. Similarly, in population A and population B, there are two parts, population A and population B. In population A, population and number of deaths. Here in population B, population and number of deaths. So here population means PI and number of deaths means PI. Similarly, populations PI and number of deaths is DI. Okay, we find CDR. So first we find for population A, then similarly we can find for population B. So for population A, DI and PI, we have to find CDR of population A. This is the notation. CDR of formula is summation of bi upon summation of bi into 1000. So we have to add this. So we can add one more column, summation. So 8000 plus 26,000 plus 34,000 plus 5,000 is 73,000. Similarly, number of days is 140 plus 470 plus 920 plus 300 is 1830. Similarly, for population B, here summation of BI is 9,500, 28,000, 38,500, 620 is 82,200, and number of days is 160 plus 520 plus 970 plus 370 is 2020. So CDR is summation of DI is 1830 upon summation of BI is 73,000 into 1000. So 30 are cancelled. If we divide 1830 upon 73, we give 25.07 per thousand. So CDR of population A is 25.07 per thousand. Similarly, we can find for population B. So population B, here CDR of population B is equal to summation of DI upon summation of DI into 1000. So what is the summation of DI? Summation of DI is 2020 upon summation of DI is 82,200 into 1000. So two zeros are cancelled. If we calculate this, we get 24.57 per thousand. So CDR of population B is 24.57 and CDR of population A is 25.07 per thousand. If we compare this, we get comparison. Here CDR A is greater than CDR B. So here CDR A is greater than CDR B. Hence, population B is more healthier than population A. It means population B is more healthier than population B. Here CDR A is greater than CDR B. It means population B is more healthier than population B. So these are the example of CDR. This example comes in board for 4 marks. Similarly, we can see for Age-SDR. So now, basic examples of Age-SDR. So first example is find the Age-SDR for the following data. So what is the data? Age group, population in thousand, and number of deaths. So in Age-SDR, population's notation is NPX and number of deaths is NDX. Okay. So here we find particular terms. So age group is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 60 and above 60. So here add one more column, Age-SDR, which is equal to NDX upon NPX into 1000. So particular for 0 to 10, here Age-SDR is 240 upon 11 per thousand means 11,000 into 1000. Similarly, for 10 to 20 is 150 upon 12,000 into 1,000. Similarly, for 20 to 60 is 125 upon 9,000 into 1,000, and last is 90 upon 2,000 into 1,000. If we calculate this, 30 cancels, 30 are cancelled. If we calculate each term, 240 divided 11 is 21.82 approximately. Similarly, 150 divided 12 is 12.50, and 125 divided 9 is 13.89, and last 90 divided 2 is 45.00. So these are the Age-SDR. So this example comes to board for 2 marks. Second example is compute Age-SDR for population A from the following table. Similarly, we can find Age-SDR, add one more column, Age-SDR. So here number of persons means NBX and number of dead is NDX. So Age-SDR is NDX upon NPX into 1000. For first group 0 to 10, here NDX is 80 upon NPX is 600 into 1000. For second, NDX is 5 upon 1000 into 1000. And third, 24 upon 3000 into 1000. And last, 20 upon 400 into 1000. If we calculate this, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 80, and 3 into 10 is 30. For second, 1000 cancel, answer is 5. For third, 3 zeros are cancelled, 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24. So 8 here, 2 zeros are cancelled, 20 into 10, or 4 1 is 4, 4 5 is 20. So 5 into 10 is 50. So these are the calculations, and this is the Age-SDR of particular groups 0 to 10, 10 to 25, 25 to 65, and 65 to 100. So these examples also came forward in 2 marks. So these are the basic examples of CDR and SDR. So next part of this chapter, life table, we will see in next video. If you like this video, please like,